Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a project share for you guys. I had gotten some items from Beebeecraft, and one of those items were fairy doors. So I was doing a project. I had a project in mind with these, so I decided to use the fairy doors with them as well. These are from Dollar Tree. And what I did was I used this paint. It is the dark velvet. I love this color. Love this color. And I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. That is my father. He's downstairs using the saw. And then I used this to go on top of it is glitter paint. As you can see, it has settled. You have to shake it up to get the glitter off the bottom. But yeah, so I used those two, and I will show you if I can get, the boxes are kind of sticking together. So this is, I didn't do the bottom, of course, but this is what it looks like. Now, the white is that you're seeing picked up on there is from this, but you can see the glitter in there. And so I did some of them that were just, oh my gosh, okay, there we go, that were just the painted. And then I did 3 that have the fairy doors in them. One of them I have not finished yet. I did this one, and this is the fairy door from Beebeecraft. Now, it was just wooden. It was not painted or anything like that. So I painted it purple and then did the green little scrolls all over it. Swirls, whatever you want to call it. So there is that one. This one I did with these are all rub-on transfers that are on here. They're not stickers. So I did that. And then this one, and I did the rub-on transfer again. And what I plan on doing with them is gluing them all together. And like I said, I've got the one box I haven't finished yet, but I wanted to glue them together, and I will probably do one more fairy door just so that it's even. Maybe, no, because there's like 3 and 3, but I'm going to glue them together to where they're like that, and then the other 2 are up there, to make a shelf. And I don't know yet if I want to have them all that way or if I'm going to do 2 of them this way and then put the other back on the top like that. I don't know yet. Gonna have to play around with it, but it is going to end up being a little shelf unit, and I plan on putting some crystals and different things like that on here. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this quick little project that I've been working on. Hoping to get it finished at some point. You know, it's been a little rough doing any crafting, so I just wanted to come on here and share with you what all I have been able to do. Even if I just end up keeping them single like this, I do like how it turned out. I love the little fairy doors from Beebeecraft. They worked really well. They were really easy to work with. And the rub-on transfers went on there pretty easy too, so that was good. That was some that I I don't even remember where I got them from. I think I got them from Dollarama or something. But yeah, I really like how the mushroom came out on this one. This one is actually part of the door. The mushroom is part of the door. The fairies are part of the door. So yeah, I just painted all of that. That took a little bit because of the detail on that. I had to use a small brush for it, but it came out really cute. I liked it. So yeah, I will have the link to Beebeecraft below. I will also have the link to the fairy doors so you can check them out. There are, I think, 4 or 6 types of doors. I think there's 6, but I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, I'll have the link for you guys so you can look them up. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.